Good afternoon, student of class 9. Today I am going to solve some factorization from exercise 4.3 that is fully related to the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let's check. Like math number 1, number 2, 9x square minus 1. You can write 3x whole square minus 1 square. So here that is a means 3x, b means 1. So I can write a plus b, that means 3x plus 1. A minus b, I can write 3x minus 1. Very easy. Number 5, like I'm doing 32 minus 2 into x minus 4 square. I'm taking common 2, so what is left here? 16 minus x minus 4 square. Now 16 can be written as 4 square. So again we got the formula here, a square minus b square. A means here 4, b means x minus 4. So I can write 4 plus x minus 4, that means a plus b, a minus b. So what I got here, x 4 cancels, so only x is left, and here 8 minus x is left. So that came to 8x into 8 minus x. There are others math like let's check math number 8, number 2. What is there? 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b. Here 4a square can be written 2a whole square minus b whole square plus 2a plus b. And that is a square minus b square, so that a plus b into a minus b. Now there is also 2a plus b is there. Now what is common there? 2a plus b, 2a plus b. So I am taking common 2a plus b. So in that term left 2a minus b, and here nothing is left, that means there is 1 left. Math number 10. What is there? Math number 10. 9x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 1. 9x to the power 4 can be written as 3x square whole square. And here it is clear, the formula is a plus b whole square, because x plus 1 whole square equal to x square plus 2ab, that means 2x, plus b square means 1 square, that means 1. So here again we got the formula a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. That is the answer. Math number 15. 4x square minus y square minus 3xy plus 2x minus 2y. Here 4x square can be written as 2x whole square y square, and here minus 3xy plus 2x minus 2y. Here I can write 2x plus y, 2x minus y, here minus 3xy plus 2x minus 2y. There may be a problem in this math. I am doing that later. Sorry, I am doing it again. Math number 15, number 2. 4x square minus y square minus 3xy minus plus 2x minus 2y. How can it be solved? I am writing it x square plus 3x square equal to 4x square minus y square minus 3xy 2x minus 2y. So I can write x square minus y square plus 3x square minus 3xy and here 2x minus 2y. Okay, that become x plus y into x minus y. You have to take common here 3x, so that become x minus y. Here you are taking 2, that become x minus y. So what is common there in all term? X minus y. So what is left? X plus y. Here 3x left, here 2 left. So what is come out? X plus 3x, 4x plus y plus 2. That is the answer. Let's check the other math, like math number 17, number 2. X to the power 4 minus 14x square plus 1. X to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square. Now next 2ab. Okay, I am making it plus 2ab. And there is then minus 16 because here I have plus. Okay, I am doing that in details. As I have added 2 extra, so I have to subtract 2 extra. That is become a formula, that is x square plus 1 whole square, and that is 16x square. So there is x square plus 1 square, and that become 4x whole square. So again you got the formula. Then a plus b, a minus b. You just have to solve all the math in this way. Math number 19, number 2. 99.9 whole square minus 0.1 square. So that is 99.9. Here a means 99.9 plus 0.1 into 99.9 minus 0.1. So that become 100 into 99.8. So that become 9980. Okay, next exercise I am going to solve some math from next exercise also. That is related to the middle term factor. Exercise 4.4. Like math number 1 I am solving. X square minus 8x plus 7. You have to break the middle term as a way that if you add that become 8. If you multiply that becomes 7. Look at that. I am breaking the number 7 minus 1 into x. Check it out. 7 into 1 here I am adding 7 into 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. That means you have to break the middle term like a way that if you add them, that become the middle one. If you multiply them, that become the C or constant value. So I got x square minus 7x minus x plus 7. Now take the common. So result is x minus 7 into x minus 7. Okay, math number 5, number 2. That is given 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now here constant value is 3 into 6, 18. So you have to break the number 18 like that. If you add them, that is become the middle one, add or subtract, and if you multiply them, that become 18. That is actually minus 3, so if you multiply them, that become minus 18. Nine minus 2. If you multiply them, that become 18. If you subtract them, that becomes 7. What is common there? 3x. So answer becomes 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1. Similarly, there is a lots of math. I am solving some. You have to practice it. If you are not able to understand, you can ask me question. Here, C term is the constant is 6 into 6, 36. You have to break the number 36 like if you add them, that is become 5. If you multiply them, that become minus 36. So I can write 9 4, because 9 4 is a 36. 9 into minus 4 is 5. You have to solve the maths in this way. If you have any problem related to the chapter, you can ask me the question.